Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Lefant M320 robot vacuum cleaner, designed to make home cleaning effortless and efficient. With a powerful 6,000 pascal suction, this vacuum is perfect for pet owners, effortlessly tackling pet hair, dust, and debris on hardwood floors and low-pile carpets, while its brushless design prevents hair entanglement. Equipped with advanced PSD obstacle avoidance and anti-drop technology, the M320 navigates your home with precision, ensuring safe and thorough cleaning, and its unique 3-in-1 design allows it to sweep, vacuum, and mop with ease. The intelligent cleaning power of this robot vacuum is enhanced by ultrasonic detection, which avoids wetting carpets and boosts suction for deeper carpet cleaning, while the smart app and voice control capabilities let you schedule cleanings and switch modes effortlessly using Alexa or Google Assistant. With 6 customizable cleaning modes, including zigzag, spot, and wall following, this vacuum adapts to your needs, ensuring every corner of your home is spotless. Its long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery provides up to 210 minutes of runtime, maintaining strong suction power for extensive cleaning sessions, and its compact, quiet operation ensures it cleans thoroughly without disturbing your peace. The Lefant M320 is the ultimate solution for a clean and serene home, making it the ideal choice for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient robotic vacuum cleaner.